Make thumbnails in just one click with this AI. Go to thumbs.ai. After logging in, you'll see this type of dashboard. Now, I need to create a text to thumbnail. Paste your thumbnail prompt here. This is my thumbnail prompt. Choose a template. This is optional, so I don't need to add a template. Add your face. If you want to add your face, you can create it from here. If you have any reference design, add it here. In the advanced options, select the thumbnail ratio and choose how many variations you want to create. I need 2 variations. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and finally, it will generate 2 variations. You can also see a lot of thumbnails here, and you can recreate any of them. With this downloader option, you can easily extract thumbnails from any YouTube video. Just copy the video link, paste it here, and click Extract Thumbnail. After a few seconds, it will automatically download to your local device. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.